Hey, welcome to Stay With Us Academy channel. So who we are? Basically, we are an online platform. We exist in Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and a lot of other platforms. Our idea is to provide knowledge in a very simple and understandable manner. So here you could find a lot of video about Microsoft products, Adobe products, dancing, cultural anthropology, mind mapping, and a lot of other stuff. So we're gonna be posting here very often. And all our video gonna be with a very simple words. So I believe that it will help you a lot in your career or building your worldview, because we're gonna be talking not only about some personal development and some IT products, but also we're gonna be talking about cultural anthropology and other social science. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, Stay With Us Academy, everything in simple words.